I guess, as an overarching comment, I think the fact that the REITs are back paying distributions is good. We're seeing things like Vicinity Centres, it paid a distribution which was around 75% of the level of distribution it was paying pre-COVID. So it's getting back towards those levels after cancelling the distribution this time last year. Other REITs are back to paying distributions almost in line with where they were pre-COVID, which is positive. But I think by and large, most or the REIT sector is probably paying about 85% of what it was pre-COVID. So there's still some recovery that's going to come through in terms of distributions. In terms of your question on opportunity, it is actually quite an interesting time, the ex-distribution period for REITs, and we focus quite strongly on it. We've been looking at this sector for decades and have a lot of data on it, and it's evident that the REITs trade quite strongly in the couple of weeks leading into the distribution period because they're about to pay a half-yearly distribution. Secondly, they often hold part of their distribution after they go ex, which means they outperform on the day. And thirdly, they tend to recapture the distribution that they paid relatively quickly, within around a month of paying the distribution. So there's a bit of outperformance, post that period as well. So we've remained quite heavily or fully invested in the sector through that ex-dividend or distribution period because of that opportunity that we see there.